Her food is a green beans
What unicorn?
and a rice and a steak and a delicious piece of a brownie. Whoa! Yummy!
This is my drawing. Da 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 da.
I'll go see if there's, yeah.